Just now I finished watching Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story on Sony Live. This is one of the epic and the best web series ever produced in the history of India. In the history of India, this is one of the best web series. Best. IMDb ratings is the evidence of that. IMDb ratings. 9.6 on IMDb ratings. Seriously, just justified. That's it. Justified. Epic. Brilliant. Basically, this web series is based on the book which is written by Suchita Dalal and some Debashish Basu. A book is written. So this web series is based on that. Epic, brilliant, fantastic. That's it. Fantastic. Basically, this web series is about a man called Harshad Mehta, okay, who will be one stockbroker. It seems he's a stockbroker. Then from nothing, from rags, he'll become riches. Then from riches, he'll go to dogs. He'll be the big bull of stock market, Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. He'll be the big bull for a certain moment of time. After a certain moment of time, he gets exposed and he becomes a big bullshit. That's it. He becomes a big bullshit. From big bull to big bullshit. That journey, that's shown in the web series. And when he was at the top, journalists, CBI, police, banks, everybody was after him. Everybody wanted him to go down. See, when you are at top, okay, when you are at the top, that time 100 people will make you up, will push you up, and 10 people will make you down. But when you are super rich and super famous, especially in the stock market, okay, 10 people, your 10 close people will try to bring you up, and thousands of people will try to pull you down. That's the reality of stock market, and that's the reality of a businessman. That's it. Why this web series is great, I'm going to tell you why. First of all, see its background music. Drang 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 drang. Full epic background music. If you listen to that background music, you will go high immediately. That's it. Who needs ganja? Who needs wine? Who needs alcohol? Who needs whiskey? You listen to that background music, automatically you will be high. That's it. Drang 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 drang. Then this web series, seriously, dialogues you should see. Dialogues. What amazing, fantastic Santanatan dialogues. Lala, risk hai to isk hai. One dialogue. Then another wonderful dialogue he has said. He has said that locha और लफड़ा और जलेबी और फाफड़ा गुजराती के लाइफ में कोई नहीं निकाल सकता है. What a dialogue. Brilliant. That's it. Brilliant. Then third dialogue he's saying. Dialogue पे dialogue मार रहा है. He's saying success क्या होता है? Failure के बाद का नया chapter. Brilliant dialogues. Fantastic dialogues. Then more and more dialogues are there. He's saying Mehta nu Rajma market majama. What a dialogue. लाला ओल्ड स्कूल हो या न्यू स्कूल, सबके स्कूल में एक कॉमन सब्जेक्ट होता है, वो है प्रॉफिट, और वो मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है. Brilliant, just brilliant. Full Gujarati dialogues as well as Hindi dialogues they have mixed, and they have kept Gujarati's essence alive. That's the speciality of this web series. Just fabulous. And generally what filmmakers do, basically this stock market, business exchange and all these things, okay, it's very complicated subject, it's very tough subject, okay. Generally आम आदमी को समझ में नहीं आएगा. So what they do is they simplify the subject. आसान कर देता है ताकि जनरल ऑडियंस को समझ में आए. But the makers kept that in mind, okay, and he knows that those who watches web series, जो लोग वेब सीरीज देखता है वो लोग चूतिया नहीं होते हैं, वो लोगों के पास दिमाग है, वो लोग रिसर्च करता है. That's why they didn't simplify. Whatever is the complicated language, they have done it in the complicated language itself. They didn't compromise and made it in simpler. That's the speciality of the web series. That's the speciality. Credit has to go to Hansal Mehta, director. He deserves it. It takes a lot of guts to do that. It takes a lot of guts to show the complicated language to the audience, not simplify it. He didn't simplify it. He showed the original. Whatever is given, he showed it. And it's a very lengthy web series. It's not you can't finish it in one day. Really. 2 days it will take, because 10 episodes are there and each episode is almost 1 hour. So 10 hours. If you have 10 hours means you can finish it. But it will take 2 days. So really, full details explanation, full character development, business development, then full everything is shown. Everything. Beautifully they have develop the characters beautifully. Amazing, amazing. And this web series teaches us a lesson that from rags to riches is difficult. From rags to riches, from slum to getting a apartment is difficult. Then from apartment you can get bungalow also. But to maintain that bungalow, to maintain that fame and money, it's even more difficult. That's the moral of this web series. And one more thing we have to take from this web series and this Harshad Mehta story is that don't be so greedy for money. Because जब पैसा आएगा ना तब पूरा सुनामी की तरह आएगा और पैसों से पूरा समुंदर भर देगा पूरा अपना घर. लेकिन जब नहीं आएगा तो पानी के बूंद भी नहीं आएगा. पानी के बूंद भी नहीं आएगा. It won't even come like a water droplets. But when it will come like a tsunami, like a wave, and it will become one ocean. So basically, the reason for his downfall, that scam, it's because of the greed of money. Basically, he was a broker, which acts as a network between Bank A and Bank B to save the time and to save the bank's energy. Okay? So Bank A will transfer, suppose they want to transfer 100 crores to Bank B. So they used to hire this broker called as Harshad Mehta, or many other brokers were there like him. So they used to hire them and he used to take the money. So 100 crores used to be directly transferred to his bank account, Harshad Mehta's bank account. And then what he did, he put that 100 crores into the stock market. And like that, from 100 crores he's getting 5 crores profit. Then from 200 crores he's getting 10 crores profit. Like that, 10 crores, 20 crores, 50 crores, 100 crores, 200 crores. Like that, in 3 years he made 4,000 crores. 4,000 crores. And he became the highest taxpayers in India. He crossed even Dhirubhai Ambani. So many people thought that it's not a scam. He's returning the money, it seems. Means bank is transferring the money to him. He's putting in the stock market. He's getting profit. He's keeping profit. And he's giving the money to the bank B. He's not stealing the money or running away to London like few of the businessmen who did scam and ran away to London and living their life lavishly. So what's the problem? The problem is that हर टाइम मार्केट ऊपर नहीं रहता है, नीचे भी गिरता है. और जब नीचे गिरेगा तो वो भी फ्रॉड स्कैम करके पैसा वापस नहीं लौटा पाएगा. ठीक है, तब क्या होगा? That's why that is called as scam. And when market will go down, that time he can't return the money to the other bank. That money is not bank's money. How bank is getting the money? It's our money, taxpayers' money. So that's a very big issue which cannot be solved with a simple tissue. Talking about the acting performances. First of all, casting of this movie is perfect because the casting of this web series is done by Mukesh Chabra, who is the best casting director in the whole Bollywood. Each and every actor suited their role perfectly. And the best acting performance was done by Pratik Gandhi, who played the role of Harshad Mehta. Just completely nailed it. Nailed it, that's it. Nailed it. 500 minutes, 10 hours web series. Not even 1 minute you will feel a shortage of performance. Not even 1 minute. Hilla diya pura, hilla diya. He should do mainstream movie after this. From Chota Parda, he should go to bigger Parda. In Bollywood, he should act. Amazing talent, amazing. Nailed it, that's it, nailed it. And second is Rajat Kapoor. Seriously, CBI Inspector, Mahadevan. That role he played. 8-9 episodes he played. 2 episodes he was there, 8 and 9. In 2 episodes, pura 4 chand laga diya pura. Pura 4 chand laga diya. Outstanding performance. Only Satish Kaushik acting potential was not brought out perfectly. He should have been in more and more episodes. Simply गाली देने के लिए रखा है उसको web series में. So that didn't have significance. Other than that, every actors were perfect. That's it. Total out of 5 stars, I'll give 50 stars for this. Out of 5 stars, I'll give 50 stars. Seriously, well deserved. That's it. Well deserved. More and more web series like this should come. More and more. No compromisation of subject. Even if it is complicated, no compromisation. No keeping Indian audience in mind. Because India population is 1 billion. Even if you get 10 million audience, if 10 million people are watching your subject and liking it, it's more than enough. Don't need to cater for 100 million audience, Kachada audience and all those people. That's it.